You said something. She shut down. Now you're both quiet, wondering how it went from laughter to tension in 30 seconds. If you've ever found yourself thinking, I didn't mean to hurt her, but now she's pulling away. Or, I want to fix this, but everything I say seems to make it worse. This episode is for you. Because conflict isn't what kills connection. How you handle it is. Conflict is inevitable, but it doesn't have to mean chaos. In this episode, I'll walk you through why many women shut down during arguments, the key to making her feel emotionally safe even when she's upset, how to express your side without triggering defensiveness, and how one guy completely shifted how I react to conflict just by how he stayed calm when I couldn't. If you've ever lost someone because of just one fight, this might show you what could have gone differently. We were out for dinner. He made a joke, harmless to him, but it hit a nerve in me. I got quiet, cold, a little sharp. He didn't snap back, didn't ask what's wrong 10 times. Instead, he looked at me gently and said, "Hey, I can feel something shifted. I want to understand what happened, but only when you're ready to share." That moment changed how I saw him. He didn't fight me for clarity. He invited me into it. And that made me trust him more than any apology ever could. Psychology insight. Emotional flooding. When conflict happens, many women, especially those with anxious or sensitive wiring, experience emotional flooding, a physiological overwhelm where the brain goes into fight, flight, or freeze mode. That's why she might shut down, say nothing's wrong, cry unexpectedly, or say things she doesn't mean. It's not because she doesn't care. It's because in that moment, her emotional brain is louder than her logical one. The key, don't argue with the flood. Wait for the waters to settle. What to do in the middle of conflict without making things worse. Stay calm, even if she's not. Your calmness becomes her emotional anchor. Instead of saying, "You're overreacting," say, "I didn't realize that hurt you. Can we talk about it when we're both cooled off?" Validate before you defend. Most arguments spiral because people try to win, not understand. Try, "I can see how that made you feel unimportant, and that wasn't my intention." You don't have to agree with her perspective. You just have to acknowledge that it exists. Ask better questions. Instead of, "What's wrong with you?" ask, "Can you help me understand what you're feeling right now?" You're not interrogating, you're inviting. Use physical space gently. If things get heated, you can step back with care. "I want to talk this through, but I don't want to say something I'll regret. Can we take 10 minutes? Conflict isn't won by speaking more. It's resolved by speaking better. Now, what to do after a fight? Repair and reconnect. Own your part. Even if it was 10% your fault, own that 10%. Example, "I could have handled that better. I'm sorry for how I reacted." Ownership creates emotional safety. Don't rush her processing. Just because you're ready to talk doesn't mean she is. Let her come to you, and when she does, be present, not proud. End with reconnection. Conflict should end with closeness, not just conclusion. Say, "I care about this. I care about you. Let's not let one bad moment define us." Even a small gesture, a hand on hers, a message later that night, helps her feel safe again. So, common mistakes that push her away during conflict. Raising your voice, even slightly. She hears tone louder than words. Keep it calm. Using sarcasm or mockery. It'll trigger her defenses faster than anything else. Rehashing old arguments. Stick to this moment. Don't use the past as weapon. Saying whatever or you're just emotional. These phrases kill connection. They say your feelings are inconvenient. Instead, try, I can tell this matters to you. Let's work through it. Here's what makes me feel close to a man, even during conflict. He listens when I'm emotional without trying to fix me. He doesn't shame me for my feelings. He takes responsibility when it's due. He creates space, not silence. He still makes me feel chosen, even when we disagree. Because fights aren't about being right. They're about learning how to stay on the same team, even when we see things differently. So, what's one thing you wish you had done differently in a past argument? Or what's the best way someone else handled a fight with you? Share your insights in the comments.